You can write a vector over it. I would be, if you want, I could write a hat over it because it is a unit vector. This is going to be defined for the curve assuming what? Division by 0 would be troublesome, but that we don't have to worry about because non-stop, right? So the speed is non-zero. So this is the unit tangent vector, and I've drawn that. So then you can define the unit normal vector to be the vector which is something like this. It's perpendicular, and if you can imagine fitting a circle to the curve, it would point towards the center of the circle which fits in the curve, the so-called osculating circle. The formula for this thing, n hat, or just, I don't even write the hats on these usually, but what you do is you take dt, and you divide by the length of dt. This is the formula for the unit normal. So the unit normal points, it's perpendicular to the tangent, and it points towards the direction of the center of a circle if you could fit a circle into the curve, right? And then the rest of this story is the so-called binormal. The binormal, which I'll draw in red, you have to use the right-hand rule. So the binormal, again, I don't usually write the hats on the t and the n and the b. So b, but I'll write it just this now to emphasize, is t hat cross n hat. So yeah, exactly. So we have a right-hand rule. If this is t cross n, so here my binormal would point into the board, which I believe my symbol was that for, t cross n. So I'm gonna kind of draw it like perspective-wise, if you guys don't mind. Like I know it's like over there somewhere, t cross n. So I guess it's fine. I can't draw it very well. Let's see here, t cross n. So over here it's pointing out of the board. So let me attempt another picture of it here. Something like this. You've got the tangent like this, the normal pointing to the center of the circle, and the binormal, tangent cross normal, so binormal will be down here. Tangent, if this circle is kind of like that, tangent cross normal, binormal, like this. This is the so-called TNB frame. It's called the Frenet frame of the curve. And what we're going to do next time is we're going to talk about how to calculate these and how to understand the geometry of the curve from the tangent, the normal, and the binormal. From a physics perspective, you could use these to set up a co-moving coordinate system with the path of a particle. Because these are, in fact, TNB. It's a right-handed triple. You could set up a right-handed coordinate system with respect to those if you wanted to, and study relative motion with this stuff. But anyway, enough of that for today. See you guys tomorrow.